We've been getting a lot of messages tungkol sa video na ito. Panoorin natin.
Insurance, pag-usapan natin. Kung isa kang OFW at naaalala mo na pumirma ka ng insurance plan mo sa labas ng bansa o sa bansa kung saan ka nagtatrabaho, I'm sorry to say, pero ang insurance plan mo ay considered na null and void. Ibig sabihin, in the event na may mangyari sa'yo, magkasakit ka, mamatay ka, walang makukuha ang pamilya mo na insurance claim.
Yes, tama. Pero, linawin muna natin. Life insurance issued as individual policy ay dapat pirmahan upon application within the Philippine territory. Otherwise, it is considered as void or walang visa. Pero meron ding life insurance na pwede mong kunin at covered ka kahit ikaw ay nasa ibang bansa. Ito ay ang Group Term Life Insurance. Ang Group Term Life Insurance ay isang temporary life insurance kung saan ang contract is issued to cover multiple people. Common na halimbawa ay ang company insurance benefit where the contract is issued